Julie-folktale-tv is giving us the best story time. Julie-folktale-tv is giving us the...
Yes, you are the only woman I have ever loved. I'm so happy we are together. When I finish learning my trade, I will marry you.
Sadiq, are you sure of what you are saying?
I will build you a house. You will never suffer.
It's been 2 months since I saw my menstrual flow. I just hope I'm not pregnant because my mother is going to skin me alive. What should I do now? I think I have to tell Sadiq. He has to do something about it. Sadiq, I think I'm pregnant and we have to do something about it.
Are you sure? This thing you are saying, it cannot be mine. This is nonsense.
Sadiq, you promised to be with me no matter what. Why all this? Do you want the villagers to laugh at me?
You can't hold me down with that pregnancy. I'm not responsible for that thing you are carrying, and please stop calling me.
Ooh.
Good morning, Mama. How can I help you?
Good morning, my son. I come to see you, and I guess you know why I brought Moronke with me.
Hey, I don't know, Mama. Maybe Moronke should tell us why. She's pregnant?
Oh, are you trying to play the victim here? Sadiq, you better go and tell your people to come and do the right thing.
Ask your daughter to tell you the guy who is responsible for her pregnancy. And please, Mama, don't ever disturb me with this issue again.
Sadiq, why are you denying? You know you are the one who is responsible for my pregnancy.
I promise you, you are going to regret this. You will come back begging me. You, Sadiq, will regret this, bad boy. Okay, let's go. He will definitely regret his actions, but it will be too late. Let go, Moronke. I will take the responsibility.
Sadiq, you did this to me. As you deny the seed you planted in me, I lay a curse upon you. See, Sadiq, you will never call any child your own. You will know the pain of emptiness. You will know the pain of emptiness. The same way you emptied my life and walked away.
Moronke, I told you to let go of that boy. Focus on yourself and the baby. It's okay, Moronke.
Come and buy tomatoes, very fresh tomatoes, and add onion with clean lime. Right, late. Come and buy tomatoes, very fresh tomatoes. You will love it. Moronke, I'm so happy to see you in this mood today. I think we should be going home.
Julie-folktale-tv is giving us the best story time.
Oh, I'm now a grandmother. This God is wonderful. Moronke, congratulations, my dear.
Mama, I'm so happy I'm now a mother. I thank God for seeing me through the whole situation. I know if a day like this will come. God has been so faithful to me.
Moronke, we should be getting ready because we have 45 minutes journey ahead of us today.
What is wrong with me? I have married 4 ex with different women, yet no child. Who have I offended? I think I need to go and look for Moronke. Maybe there might be a solution to my problem. God, please help me.
Kids, where are you guys going to?
Mom, we are going to play with our friends. We'll be back soon.
They're not my kids. The pregnancy Moronke told me about. Oh God, what should I do? How will I explain to her that I was being stupid? God, I just hope she forgive me. Moronke, please forgive me. I was a fool. I was proud. I denied my own blood. Please forgive me. Please, I want us to come together as one big happy family. Please, my love, I promise to do anything.
Sadiq, sorry for the interruption. Meet my kids, your supposed children, Ire and Anu. So let me answer your questions. You see those children, they already have a father. But not you, Sadiq.
Me 3 years ago.
When you chose shame over responsibility, did you forget that you denied the pregnancy? Sadiq, I can't believe you came back begging me. I told you, but you wouldn't listen. Now see your life.
Please, Moronke, I promise to make it up to you. I promise to do anything. Please, Moronke. Please, Moronke. I just want to be part of my children's life.
Well, I guess you now understand what it means to be empty. I return every curse I lay on you. I wish you good luck. Sadiq, do not ever disturb I and my kids again. Don't ever in your life.